I don't think building an AI agent is the hard part. In my opinion, the real challenge is to make it useful for the end user. So at Heffl, we are trying to create a WhatsApp AI agent, and my approach is to ask ChatGPT and to break it down like for a 5-year-old. So here is a diagram which they have given me. As you can see, there is this WhatsApp Cloud API, Agent Orchestrator. So let's see what actually it is. So there is this WhatsApp Cloud API. So people send us message on WhatsApp. So that's basically WhatsApp Cloud API. And there is this third-party API webhook. So the postman rings the doorbell and hands us the letter. So basically, we are using a third party for our WhatsApp inbox. And once a message receives, it goes to the third party and they give us the message. Okay. And there is this agent orchestrator. So that's actually the smart brain. The brain reads the letter and decides what to do. So for example, if I am sending a message like, can I answer, if it's sending a message like, may I know the price, or uh, what's your return policy, that kind of messages, the agent orchestrator decides what to do with that message. So it asks, can I answer it myself? Do I need a super brain help? Do I need robot arms to do something? Should I call a real human? So it's like an orchestrator where it will decide what to do with the message. It's like a teacher, basically like a teacher. When we ask a question to the teacher will decide, should she answer it herself, or should she refer the textbook, or should she ask someone wise. So it's that kind of a thing. And LLM gateway is the super brain. So if it's need a super brain, it will go to the LLM gateway. So if the brain need help thinking, it asks the big brain. So there are Gemini, ChatGPT 4, and this kind of LLMs will be very clever at writing good answers. So it will go to the LLMs. So also there is this magic bookshelf vector store. Sometimes the big brain needs facts, so it grabs a book from the magical shelf. So these are kind of your business knowledge or business logic stored in somewhere like PG vector, and it will be very fast to retrieve. Your FAQs and everything will be stored there. And there is this function hub robot arms, which means, for example, if I am asking for a quotation or something like that, there are basically functions like, if something needs doing like writing a note, the robot arms do it. So if a query is for giving a asking for a quotation, then there will be a function written, and it will call that function, and the function will return an action. So that's what called a function hub. And it at last it will call the third party API to send the message back. Whatever it's processed, it will send the message back. So this is simple as it is. Like, a message comes in, our smart brain decides. Basically, this is the finding the intent of the message, then ask big brain or robot arms, then grabs the info from the magic shelf. So if any additional information is required, it will pull it out from the vector table and sends the perfect reply back. So this is how an AI agent works. So if any additional complexity, like if I want to if this AI version agent want to analyze an audio, you have to use this ChatGPT or any other models, transcribe like Whisper AI models. And see, basically implementing this technically is very easy. For me, the hard part is to do the product management and make it useful for the end user. So I've been in the receiving end for many AI chat models, and at times it's not like, it's not doing its job 100%. So there should be a better product management, when to handle it to a human being, and how to pull the data accurately, and how to store the context. There are all sort of nuances, but in a bigger picture, this is simple as it is. This is what every AI models do. Like, every AI agents built on in this era are all working on the same architecture. I'm telling you this because one night I just decided to implement AI in Heffl. And what I've done is, there is this logging option in Heffl, and I've added this talk to AI feature where I can just talk to this AI like, the meeting went well, they are interested in our product, and he told me to call tomorrow at 6 p.m. Okay, now if I just talk to this AI, what happening in the under the hood is, this copilot is analyzing thing I shown this AI, and in the background what's happening is, this is the backend what's happening here. So I am calling ChatGPT 4, and there is this context which I have given. What are the data type I need? There should be a summary, key points. There should be a follow-up actions, and basically all the details I've given as context. Every details passed is here. I am using ChatGPT's Whisper model for transcribing the audio which I have given. Then I'll call this ChatGPT 4, and I'll get the response. I'll pass it and send it back, and basically this will be the received. You can see all the things I've done is in key points. There is also follow-up action. So once I add this log, there's this follow-up. This is the function call which I have done. Now if this is done, the action is also there. So this I have implemented like in few hours, and I know it's possible to implement an AI agent in a few time. We'll be implementing one by one. The real question is how can I make it useful for the end user, and the how I am going to display the UI for the end user, and how I am going to solve a business logic for them. So that's the hard part. So I'll update you guys how we are building this, and in a month or so we are planning to implement something good. uh, if you call it Sophia, Jessica, or whatever name for this AI agent, if it's not like 100% useful, then we are not happy. So we are aiming for the best. So thank you.